Another Bob the Fencer silly question time. How do you get a broken off post section out of the ground? Well, what I'm doing to see whether it works for you, I'm using just a small crowbar / jemmy bar, and I'm digging a trench around the actual post about 3 inches or 75 mil, 100 mil down around the outside of the post, and then digging the dirt out with my fingers so that I can put my chain around the post and lift it out. I'm using the tractor to lift it out, but there's other methods. So we've dug down around the post and I fitted my chain with a grab hook on the end of the chain, and as you pull the chain tight up, it will tighten up on the post and get a better grip on the post the more you put the strain vertically up. Okay, so I've attached the chain to the tractor. On the tractor, on the post driver, I've welded a couple of blocks to act as a grip for the chain to do this sort of thing.